difference between animal cell and plant cell? So let's start it with me. I am Torno Magar from Baherji International School. So today we are going to learn what is plant cell and animal cell and difference between them. So first of all, here the diagram of plant cell is given and animal cell is given, and now slowly we will learn the differences between them. So first difference is plant cell is a large, has a fixed rectangular shape. Means the plant cell is a large as compared to the animal cell, and it has the fixed rectangular shape. Means the shape of the plant cell is rectangular. Now in animal cell is a small and irregular or round in shape. Means animal cell don't have any specific shape and it is small as compared to the plant cell. No fixed shape. So first is that plant cell have rectangular shape and the animal cell don't have any specific shape and it is small as compared to the plant cell. Now next one is cell wall is present. Means the cell wall is present in the plant cell, but in animal cell the cell wall is absent. In animal cell the cell wall is absent. In plant cell the cell wall is present. Now third difference is the nucleus lies on the one side of the cell. Means in this you can watch here the blue color is given. It lies in the one side, means right side of the cell in the rectangular surface. Means it lies this side, means it goes one side and lies nucleus in the cell. And the animal cell no fixed shape is there, but the nucleus ever lie in the center. In animal cell the nucleus lies in the center. Now fourth one is mitochondria are present in a few number. Means in this mitochondria are present in the few numbers. These are the mitochondria. Now mitochondria are present in the large number. You can watch here the mitochondria are present in the large number in this cell. I will change the color. The mitochondria lies in the large number. Now next, fifth one, plastids are present. Means the plastids are present in the plant cell. Plastids are present in the plant cell, but in the animal cell plastids are absent, because plastids are there which used to cover the chlorophyll with chloroplast. These are the plastids which are present in the animal cell and absent in the plant cell. Now sixth one, centrosomes are absent. Centrosomes are absent in the plant cell. Means in plant cell there are some centrosomes that are absent and that are the present in the animal cell. These are the centrosomes around nucleus. Around nucleus the fungi-like structure is there, that is called the centrosomes. Here it is present. And now seventh one, one large central vacuole is present. Many small vacuoles are present. The large central vacuoles are present, and in this many vacuoles are present. Means the central vacuoles are large in the number. In this the central vacuoles are large in the number, but in the animal cell there are the small in the numbers and many. They are many, small but they are many as compared to this. So these are main 7 differences. Note it down in notebook, and these are important to write in the exam. If the question is asked like write the differences between plant cell and animal cell. So these are the differences between plant cell and animal cell. If you like the video, please subscribe and like our channel. Thank you.